Hi, we're going to be making daisy cupcakes for Mother's Day. So if you have young children or if you're a grandparent and want to surprise your grown-up kids with cupcakes from your grandchildren, this is an easy way to delight them. So I've made an easy 1-minute chocolate icing. I will share the recipe with you in the comments. So easy. I've got my cupcakes that I used from the lazy cupcake recipe. So if you'd like that recipe as well, these are really easy peasy. I'm a lazy cook, a lazy chef, so anything that's quick and easy is right up my alley. So I'm just going to spread this perfect icing to the edges of my cupcake. It really is the perfect consistency. I think off the cuff of my, off the top of my head, it's a cup of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 2 tablespoons of boiling water. And you pretty much just whisk them together. Okay, I'm happy with that coverage. Now for the cupcakes, I've got some jelly beans. I've decided on a yellow daisy. And I wanted to actually give it an orange center, so I'm just going to take the orange center from the purple jelly beans. I forgot to put an orange center in here. So I'm going to have to push that into the middle of the cupcake so that it's quite centered. Can you see it there? Wouldn't want to. Oh, the sun's just disappeared. There's my orange cupcake, and then the yellow ones will form the petals of the daisies. Maybe I'll just spread them onto the counter, and the green ones will be a little bit of greenery because I've used brown icing kind of to represent the garden. They are dark. Of course you can use any color icing you wish. A little bit of icing on my fingers. There's the yellow petals, and then I'll just randomly put an odd green one for leaves, greenery here and there, and it's as easy as that. Beautiful daisy cupcakes for Mother's Day. I'm actually having quite a lot of fun. I think I might do the purple one as well. Again, the brown icing will be quite dark, but yeah, we'll brighten it up with some greenery, and I'll have to use the last of the orange jelly bean from the white petals. If we've got time on this video, I might make a white one as well, make the exception to the center of the little daisy. If you're way more artistic than I am, I would love to see your daisy cupcake creations in a comment or in a post. There we go. Yep. All right, so for the green ones, again, I'm going to borrow this orange center from those daisies. Maybe I won't put it in quite as far as I did with the other one because it kind of disappeared, didn't it? Okay, we'll leave it. We'll see how that works. And the purple petals. These petals are going to be a lot fuller because I have a lot more purple jelly beans. So, whoopsie. Let's see how that goes. Truly, this chocolate icing is the perfect consistency. Actually, I don't need all the purple. Gosh, I'm loving these. I don't need all the purple jelly beans. A little bit of greenery. Ah, wow. I will link back also to the original person that I got this idea from. How cool is that? Daisy cupcakes for Mother's Day. I'm so having fun. I'm going to use the white ones as well. I might just swap it out and use a purple center because, you know, why not? All right, chocolate icing. There we go. We get the perfect coverage. This is so much fun, and it's such an easy delight for your children or grandchildren to make for Mother's Day, or for any day, for birthday, for any special day. And you know what? Not even for a special day, because every day is a special day. So there you go. If you want to make these for yourself just because, go ahead. You have my full permission, provided you heed your dietary requirements, of course. All right, so this time we're giving our daisy a purple center. I do like that it sticks up a little bit more than the very first one I did. So there we go. And then all the white petals, a little white daisy. Okay, again, I don't think I'll need all of the white jelly beans because the cupcakes are a bit small. Oh, I did. Yep. So that's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cupcakes. That one's got a little bit of brown on the side. It doesn't matter. Oh gosh, I'm so loving this idea. Right, and some greenery. Wowee. Well, I hope you enjoyed these daisy cupcakes as much as I enjoyed making them. Please do show me your creations in the comments, and any other ideas that you have for cupcakes for your mom or for yourself or for a birthday. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Cheers.